Assalamualaikum and hi to Semat Saleh. I am Nur Shiklan Binti Batrul and I will present my part, which is the abstract and the conclusion. The scope of this study is to explain the extent to which the issue area of gender, entrepreneurship and family business will be explored. There is various points of issue in time where gender, entrepreneurship and family business are dynamic intersect. The study begins by explaining family business concept and describe how important this definition can be to the variable to be applied in the research. After that, this paper will explore areas of each issues and the solution to overcome the problem from the areas of issue. This paper also will examine the impact of issue to the entrepreneurial. In the last installment of this series, we'll seek the contribution of family business in economy. All these issues will be examined with previous study and supporting data from the theoretical perspective. Research issues need to be explored in order to better understand the relationship between entrepreneurs and their families.
Assalamualaikum and hi sir, Selamat Hari Raya Aidil Adha. So our group member leader is Muslimin bin Mustari. So we choose our topic, which is gender, entrepreneurship and family business. About this topic, I will explain about the background of this topic. This section discuss review covering aspect of family business because we only focus about the family business only. Family entrepreneurship is used to explain each of their roles in entrepreneurial activity. Family business is commonplace in the economy across the country and is a part of corporate world. The term which is family operated are used to refer a family business. Therefore, the term family business carries different meaning to different people. While some consider it a traditional business, others consider it is a community business, and others consider it is home business. The definition of family business above given refer to the characteristic of the family business, such as group of individual who has belonging to the one or more family running a business or positioning in a family business influenced by the relationship. For example, their grandfather, mothers, and other siblings. This is refer to the family business. So I found the researcher, which is the author Haas and Brannis 2012, which is they agree that family business use entrepreneurial action as a growth strategy. Then I found that another researcher say that family business would provide source of capital in the form of social, human, and financial capital, including physical finance such as investment and non-physical finance such as personal energy. The study will focus deeply into issue in the family business and the entrepreneurial strategy involved in controlling this situation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rashidi bin Abdul Gaib. Today I want to present about issue gender and family business. The have for issue in the gender and family business. The first is about lack of the succession planning. Family business face many challenges in concern in planning succession in the family business. Succession in change many challenges and can content and planning contribution of the family business. The lack succession planning also which mean leadership change in the success of the gender and family business. The second issue about sibling rivalry. This due to partnership in family business which will provide the profit if the family business not understand. This is because competition is not resolved over time. It will currently care to family business to decline. The third is about internal family conflict. Why the family business has no challenges? Because they have many conflict. This is also members cannot be alike with the interest of the business of the world family. Okay, next, the last of the issue gender and family business is about lack of specialized family business management and entrepreneurial education. Major issue in family business where education is a balance between relationship, entrepreneurial activity in a contribution of explaining the depends of the family business and had investment that will have a negative impact in family business investment. Okay, next is why is so important is to the family business because it can easy to get a lot of information about the business when it's come to sibling rivalry, and it also makes it easy to business to conquer product of their creation big quantity and to help sibling rivalry. The third is why issue is very important to the family business because when doing with family business, family will work hard and make a significant contribution to the finance to ensure that the family business involvement can achieve long-term business success. The last is why it's so important to the family business because it can help create an efficient and orderly business framework. With flexible and orderly management, it is possible for the family business to run smoothly. This is because exposure and education, it can rapidly expanding business and is sure to make the family business successful.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muslimin bin Mustari. In this part, I will explain on how to solve the issue that commonly happen on family business environment. First of all, from our study, we have found there are several major problems that always happen on family business operation. First, regarding on the lack of succession planning. Second, about the sibling rivalry. Third, about the internal family conflicts. And last but not least, about the lack of family business specific management and entrepreneurship education. And how to solve this problem. We have listed down several strategies to solve these problems. First, we must develop a set of family business rules to solve the family conflicts. In this part, it will guide the manager or the leader to solve regarding on the profit, dividing of the profit, dividing the asset and loss. Second, in this part also explain about the short-term strategic and long-term planning and long-term family business strategy to solve the internal family conflict. Second strategy we have listed down is we need to enhance knowledge of family members. In this part, it must to the family business member need to know about the exit strategies and the opportunity versus entitlement. In this part, explain how this knowledge can guide the family business operation to grow and sustain on the market. Third strategy is about the compatibility on the family members. We, in this part, they must utilize the family members' skills and knowledge in order to make a better performance and better operation. Last strategy is family communicating and decision making. The family members or the manager need to make a meeting and a council meet up on the family members to know what is the major problem regarding on their performance, on their operation and the family conflict on their members. In this part, we have confidence. We have confidence with the strategy. We can we can make a better performance on family members. Thank you.
Okay, I will continue this my part with the impact of the issue to entrepreneurs. Family business is very important to any business as it can make a valuable contribution to the country economy. However, there are many negative effects of the family business inside. One of the negative effects of this family business is the lack of section planning and the lack of education in business management and family entrepreneurship. The practical implication of this issue are that leading a family business acquisition founder and the potential successor need to understand the various ways of effectively managing a family business. In addition, successors also need to know the appropriate ways of solving the problem that lead to the acquisition of a family business, as well as a professional way of leading the family business to function effectively. The next issue that can be tried to this issue is the manager's relations to make changes to the ways or practices of the family business. In addition, the limitation of the business and the less well-defined family also affect the family business in a way. Founder need to create a sense of belonging such as commitment, knowledge, flexibility in terms of time, work and money, forward thinking, stable culture of fast decision making and reliable. The founders also need to take steps in the long run to avoid any family relationship conflicts. The founding method that new success need to adopt is to give up on managing the family business that family member is. Internal family conflict issue can also have a negative effect on the family business itself. This is because a family business is a business in which all the majority owner or controlled by the family. Decision and management are influenced by the family, and two or more family members work in active participate in the management of the business. This is suffered by Miller 2013 and the Liner 2011. Them say asset the family business is a company owner controlled and operated by members of the same family. And the last, a relative small business will also negatively affect the founder, providing a clear division of work for the family business itself. This is because the majority of the founder of the family business lack the skill and knowledge of system and structure management, while the founder are leading the business, and this will negatively impact the dissatisfaction of other families in leading the business. In addition, the founder shall play a wise role in discovering and appropriate method by using the discussion and position method of debate among family members and the decision on what to do in formal meetings. That's all my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Yusuf Noshari Syamil Idris. My matric number is PB1711031. Alright, today I want to present about 6.0, which is measurement has taken by the government and contribution to the economic development. So there are few measurement that taken by government to measure the business, the family business. The first of all is the holistic performance level of family business performance measurement. Through this measurement, the measurement will be depend variable using the process described above to calculate the overall performance of each family business. The next point is the homogeneous goal performance, which is measurement scale develop measure performance among family firms that consider a particular goal category is important. Next one is provide more direct contact with management. Family business are playing a vitally important role in the economic development through the world and give a impact of in economy. Next one is delivery an important infrastructure for wealth creation and economic activity, which means this factor in turn lead to continuity in management policy and operating focus and enable firms to react more rapidly to change in their operating environment. Last but not least, the global gap by family business. There are considerable part of the world where the role of family business is larger, undocumented, and this is impact of family business can also consider to the economic sector for the world. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to present the discussion about issue in family business and way to overcome the issue. After my discussion with my group, I have found 5 articles related to our research. The first issue is family business have to deal with the transfer of business governance from one generation to the next. The next generation must get familiar with the family business to gain experience to manage the family business. The way to overcome this issue is to provide training from the beginning for the next generation of the family, and if the strategy is properly designed, the family business can have a reinforcing impact. Second issue is occurring in the family business is lack of family business specific and entrepreneurship education. Is that additional family business specific management and education of entrepreneurial practice will help family business owners and executives in facing the problem in the business. The next issue is conflict of interest. Is that the family member often have the power of ownership and management to satisfy his or her own goal and ambition, even though they clash with the company-based interest. He said the strategy to overcome this issue is discipline in a family business that is not native to the system. Fourth issue is low level of innovation and stagnation within the family business. The family members just simply choose take over rather than use their relative freedom to develop a growth strategy for the business. The medicine to overcome this issue is set by Lee Breton Miller, and Miller 2009 state that the more family members in the family, the more motivated the family will be. The last issue is they will always be jealous in the family business and wishes for a higher position in the business. Usually, one parent will want to assign the position to the favorable child, or the owner will favor one of the brother and sister. To overcome this issue, negotiation will be the cure. Analyze the situation will be great between the family members with the systematic and arrange solution to solve the family conflict. This may be rational for the sake of the family business. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, for the conclusion, family business are challenge for every entrepreneur. Lack of succession planning, siblings rivalry, internal family conflict, and lack of specialist family business management and entrepreneurial education issues are important problems in family business. The finding of this study shows that conflict even in family business occur everywhere. Developing a set of family business rules, enhancing knowledge family business, enhance the compatibility and family communicating and decision making will help the process of family business in order to ensure the success of their business and the preservation of family wealth across generations. Positive emotional energy from family business leaders also plays a big part in order to avoid and solve a danger that a black cloud for each organization must not only analyze the reason for the existence of family business conflict, but learn and use the tool for problem solution, the positive side of the family issues that can be learned through life and experience. That's all from me. Thank you.